Hello, traders, and Happy New Year! Hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. And you're all back at work and back in the game. How exciting is that? Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Monday, January 7th of 2013. So now, let's have some fun with technical analysis. So let's take a look at the Q's daily chart as we always do. And let's see what happened here. Wow, look at this beautiful gap up back on January 1st. We're starting the year really high with a huge gap to that upper area of resistance up here, the 67.20 mark, and we are pulling back down, stopping at this area of support down here at 66.37. This is the area of support that we talked about for quite a while. It's a really important one for you to remember and pay close attention to. And look what happened here today. We were going lower. We broke through it, head lower, but we couldn't sustain that low, and we pushed it all the way back up, closing the day higher above the 66.37 mark. Okay, but look at this. Even though we're closing the day higher above the 66.37, the MACD is flat. It's not confirming anything. It's not telling us anything at this moment. It's resting. All right, the MACD is flat right now, so it's getting ready for a big move, again, one way or the other. So pay close attention to that. And now the volume, look at the volume. It's dropping big time. We are trading on light volume at this moment, way below the average, which is what I don't really like. But the only thing I like about it is that you can see we are going down here, pulling back down from the upper area of resistance, 67.20, down to that area of support down here at 66.37 on light volume. All right, on a decreasing volume. So that could be an indication that we could head higher. But the other thing is that before we do that, we could go lower trying to fill that gap. All right, so that's another thing that we could see happening. But watch those areas of support and resistance really carefully, because this is the key. And also pay close attention to the MACD to look for confirmation, and pay close attention to the volume. This is what you have to do. All right, so again, we're having that little pullback to that low area of support at 66.37, and tomorrow watch the high of today, which was at 66.76, and also 66.37 area support as well, because this is very important and key area for you to watch. And if we do ever go lower, pay close attention to the low of today, which was at 66.25, and then also to those areas of support down here where you see those moving averages coming together. This is another major area of support. All right. So then if we do go higher instead, watch the 67.20 mark as well as the high of January 3rd, which was at 67.34, because if we do ever break through both of them and continue higher, closing the day higher, we could head all the way up to that next area of resistance up here, 68.25. All right. Yeah, so that is what I see happening on the chart at this moment. So again, make sure you always look at the chart first, look for tradable setups, then look down at the MACD, make sure it's confirming anything that we see happening on the chart, and also pay close attention to the volume. All right, yeah, so it was really nice to be back here with you again today. Hope you enjoyed the class. Have a wonderful rest of the day, afternoon, evening, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.